In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add gift card to GameStop account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly redeem your gift card balance to purchase games or anything else available on GameStop. So first, I'm gonna showcase how you can check the balance available on the gift card and then how to use it. So first, I want to make it very clear, as it stands today, you will not be able to add your gift card directly to your account, but you can still use it during checkout. So first, to check the balance available on your card, go to the GameStop website through your PC, laptop, or through a smartphone and click on the menu. On the menu, scroll all the way down and you will find gift cards under Explore More. Now that you are on the gift cards page, you can scroll down and in here you will see check your gift card balance. So if you choose this option, you will be able to input the PIN available on the card and the card number. This will allow you to see the balance available on that GameStop gift card. With this done, you can now purchase anything that you see available on the website or the mobile app. So visit the GameStop page, add items to your cart, and proceed to checkout. You will be able to use your gift card when you proceed to checkout. Once you arrive at checkout, make sure to set up your shipping address, and under payment, the very first option is going to be add gift card or trade-in credit. So all that you have to do now is choose this option and input the gift card number and the PIN. If you click or tap on this information icon, they are going to teach you how to find this info. So it is going to be available there. So for the gift card example, you have the numbers at the top and then the PIN number here. Trade-in credit is a little bit different, but the general idea is the same. You look for the row of numbers, usually 5 sets of numbers like this, and then a 4-digit PIN. And as long as you input the information here and you click apply, the balance will be used. Sadly, I don't have one in this video to showcase, but you can clearly notice that it is very easy. I hope I was able to help you on how to add gift card to GameStop account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.